One of
Good
you can,
morning, sir.
one of you can
Good
please
morning,
tell what was
sir.
the last question?
Sixth questions.
Sixth question.
Yes, sir.
This was the last question. During a sale, shop offer 10%. Or this was the question. A milkman sold two of his buffaloes.
Yes, sir. This was the last question.
Okay.
Seventh question is the last question.
Probably this question we need to solve, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The price of TV is 13,000 rupees. The sale tax charged on this is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. This was the question. Probably I told you to solve.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully
Yes,
you
sir.
have done that. If the
So I
market price
got
is
14560, sir.
correct. If the market price is 13,000 rupees, tax percent is 12%, then the sale price will be market price into 100 plus tax percent divided by 100. This is a formula to be used if the sales price is to be found, and we get it as 14,560. Hope you have not used the formula and you have solved in this method. If the tax paid is for 100 rupees, then it will be
Yes,
12
sir. 12
rupees.
by 100 into 13,000, sir.
Correct. 12 by 100 into 13,000, we get it as 1560. So this 1560 to be added to the cost, it becomes 14560. It was an easy question. Let's look at question number 9. Let's solve this question 9. In the question 9, the question given is Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was given and the discount was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the market price. Here, if I consider the market price to be some X, then
Yes, sir.
then discount percent will be discount by market price into 100. We can use that formula and we can try. So
Sir,
here,
X minus 1600 by X into 100, sir.
so let me call the market price EX. So discount percent will be equal to discount
X minus 6600, sir.
divided by market price into 100. Here discount percent is given as 20%. So this will be equal to the discount we have to find divided by
115, sir. Discount is.
market price. I have taken as X into 100. So using this, I can find the discount as X times of 20 divided by 100 by cross multiplication. On simplification, we get
Sir,
it
I
as
have a
X
doubt,
by
sir.
5. Yes, what's the doubt?
Sir, we can take a discount as X minus 1600 now, sir.
Why?
So because market price is X, sir, and the price he pays is 1600, sir. So X minus 1600.
But the thing is, they have not given the discount. They have given discount percent.
So we
So,
can't take
so we should not take like that.
First, we have to
Yes.
find them.
Now, what you are saying, that formula we are going to use. Discount is market price minus sale price. We will use that formula. Using this formula, in the place of discount, you take it as X by 5, which is found here, which is equal to market price I have taken as X minus sale price is given, and he gives 1,600. This is the sale price. 1600 should be written here. Now this is a simple equation to be solved. So on transposing negative,
2000 rupees. Two.
it becomes 1600 equal to X minus X by 5.
So we are getting 2000, sir.
Is it? What will be X minus X by 5?
Sir, 1 by
4x by 5?
4. 4x
4x by 5,
5,
na?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4x by
Yes,
5
sir.
equal to 1600. So x will be equal to 1600 into 5 divided by 4. This is 400 times. So 400 into 5 is 2000. So therefore, the market price is 2000 rupees. So it is easy. Hope all of you have checked your answer sheets of monthly examination.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Many have got confused in last question, last but one question, probably 19th question. N plus 1 by 2 was the answer. You have missed there, and the previous question n by 2 also. Most of you have gone wrong.
Sir, please explain that, sir. That question.
Sometime later.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll continue with this question later on. Sometime later, I'll make PPT of that MCQ and I'll bring it. We shall discuss that time. Question number 10. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400, including 8% VAT. Find the price before the VAT was added. Here, after adding the value added tax, VAT means value added tax. If value added tax is added, then 5,400 is the price of the hair dryer. Now we have to find out what is the price before the value added tax. How do we find this?
So because 8% is added, we can take mark price as 100% and add 8%, and we can solve by putting 108 by 100 multiplied to x will give us 5,400, and we
5,400,
can
sir.
find value of x where x is equal to percent of VAT added.
Correct.
So first we should find the tax
Yes,
amount,
sir.
what, sir?
Again, if we
8%
put the
means
same thing in
100%.
mathematical sentence, if you put the same thing in mathematical sentence, if 100 rupees is there as a money without value added tax, after adding value added tax, it becomes 108, isn't it? This is after
Yes, sir.
VAT added. So if you want to find
Sir, 400 rupees.
5400 is the price after value added. Before, if you want to find, it is like cross multiplication. How do we do this?
Sir, we can take a original price as x, sir.
by 108, sir.
5,400 into
100 is divided
100
by 100.
divided by 108. If you do
Yes, sir.
this, we get this question mark. So it is something like this, is cross multiplication. So this can be simplified. 54 2 times is 108. So 5400 times, and this is 54 2 times. So 250 times is 100.
Times.
And we get it as 5,000. So 5,000 rupees is the amount before the addition of value added tax. How do we put this in sentence? Because we cannot write the in examination like this. It should not be written like that. So how do we write?
Sir, we can write plus 8% VAT means
Hmm.
the price of VAT and then the price between VAT will be 108, sir.
Suppose if I write like this, 8% value added tax means that if the price without VAT, without value added tax is rupees 100,
Yes, sir.
then price with value added tax will be equal to 108.
Yes, sir.
That is what it means. Therefore, price of hair dryer without value added tax will be equal to, now you can write this as 100 into 5400 divided by 108. After simplification, we get it as rupees 5,000. All right.
Yes.
Wait for a while. I'll change the shell of this pen. All right. Now let's look into the next question. This is also related to tax. Now, what is the meaning of GST?
Goods service
Sir,
tax.
Goods and service tax.
Very good.
service tax.
Good service and tax.
Goods service tax. So on the goods also there will be tax included. That's called as GST. Here the question is an article was purchased for rupees 1,239, including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. Is this the question
Sir, the
similar to the
same
previous?
technique we can use for 11th question also, sir.
Yes, sir. It is the same as
Yes, sir,
previous
it is
question.
same as previous, sir.
Yes. How do we write then?
1239 into 100 by 118, sir.
So it is like this: 18% GST without added is rupees 100.
Yes, sir.
With GST it will be
118, sir.
118.
118.
118.
Therefore, price of article before GST added is equal to 100 times of
1239 into 100 by 118,
1239.
sir.
1239 by
Divided by 118.
Okay, can this be simplified? Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
you
sir.
divide this is 3 3s are then
6.
3 6
no
times.
sir. Some will be
No,
10. Sir. Some will be.
Sir, it can't.
It cannot be divided, sir.
Some will be 10.
sir,
Sir.
by 200 and 118 will be divided.
This
You
cannot
can
be divided by
Sir.
3,
100.
whereas we can divide this by 2
2, sir.
and 100 can be
Sir.
simplified.
50. 50 into 2 is equal to 100. Then
This is
59 into 2
50
is
times. This is 59 times.
9 times. Yes, sir.
Further, can this
59
be
and
simplified?
sir.
It cannot be
59 then
simplified. You have to
21
multiply. So,
so it can be divisible.
is it divisible? No, it is not divisible.
So
When it
59
is
That is a prime number.
when it is not divisible, there is no other alternate. You have to simplify. So
66,950 by
50 you
59.
multiply with 1239. After
61
multiplication, we get it as
61950
6950 divided by 59.
950. Yes, sir.
So when you divide this by 59, we get it as
1050.
1050. Correct, sir. Very good. 1050 is the price of the article before GST is being considered. After GST, it has become 1239. That's the thing. Now let's look at the next part of the chapter, that is called as compound interest. All of you must
Okay.
remember
Sir,
we
can
had
you
learned
once
two
again show
methods.
the last slide, sir?
Yes, sir.
Last slide.
Yes.
Okay, sir. This is the last slide, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All of you must remember that we had used a formula for finding compound interest to find the amount. The formula used was A is equal to P times of 1 plus R 100 to the power n if it is compounded annually. R is the rate of interest, P is the principal amount, n is the number of years. Sometimes we don't use this formula, we follow traditional
Sir,
method or
PTR by 100, sir.
PTR by 100 for simple interest. Here the question is related to compound interest. This particular thing, 10,800 is the principal amount and it is taken for 3 years, is the number of years, 12.5% is the rate of interest. The question is to find the amount as well as the compound interest when it is compounded annually. So when it is compounded annually, there is no issue, we can use this formula. Let's substitute the values to find the amount. Amount will be equal to P is 10800 into 1 plus rate of interest. It's 12 and
It's
half.
25 by 2.
Correct, very good. 25 divided by 2 divided by
Into
100
1 by 10.
to the power 3.
3, sir.
This can be further simplified as 10800 into 1 plus the same thing is 25 by 200. When we simplify this fraction, it becomes 25 by 200 to the power 3. 25 by 200 can be further simplified, or else you can write this as by taking LCM.
1 by 8.
That can be done. That can be done. Or else what you can do is write the same thing as 225 divided by 200. It becomes easy for calculation. 225 by 200 into 225 by 200. The question related to compound interest, there is no shortcut. These are the calculations, you must do it. So let's simplify. Two of the zeros I'll get cancelled. Here we have 20 into 2, sorry, 200 into 2 into 200 into 2.
Sir, amount is 45, sir.
15,377.34. Sir,
Did you calculate by cancelling this?
yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15,377.34, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Others also
15,000.
can please try.
15,377.34.
15,377.34, sir.
I will take this as 15,377.34. Actually, it will not stop here. It is approximate
3,
value,
sir.
isn't it?
34375.
0.3333, sir.
So better I'll write
No,
this approximately. Approximately it
no,
is 15377.34. This is the amount. Now to find the compound interest,
377, sir.
compound interest is amount minus principal.
Yes, sir.
Here the amount we calculated is 15377.34.
15,377.34 minus 10,800.
10,800.
4,000 will come.
Subtractor.
So we're getting 14,636,
14,000.
sir. 14,636.
14, no chance here. 10,000 is subtracted from 15. It is only 4,000.
4,636.
4,577.34.
577.
Approximate value is this. So isn't it simple?
Yes.
It is simple, but here the calculation is a bit lengthy, bit difficult.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Formula.
We shall try this. We'll understand it better. Here the number of years given is 2.5. So we cannot use the formula for complete thing. For 2 years we can calculate. Then for the next half year we can calculate. Then we can add that. So let's do this. Here, the principal amount is given as 18,000 and the number of years is given as 2.5 years and rate of interest is given as 10% per annum. Per annum is usually written as PA. So what we do is for the first 2 years we shall calculate the amount. Amount for first 2 years. How do we calculate?
Sir, we
A
can use
is equal
formula
to
for this also, no, sir.
for half year you cannot use the formula, so only we will take it for first 2 years. So A is equal to P 18,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is
100.
10 by 100 to the power 2. Here the calculation is not that difficult. It is 18000 multiplied to 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Cancel out these zeros. 3 zeros will get cancelled. Here one of the zero you can cancel. Finally,
Sir,
what we get is 18 into 11 into 110.
2180.
Let's multiply this.
21,780.
21780. 21,780. This is not the amount for 2.5 years. It's only for first 2 years. Now we need to write. Now amount for
So divided by
next
2.
half year.
We should do simple interest, sir.
This will be equal to this 21,780 plus interest.
Sir, 1089.
How do we find that interest? Interest is found as PTR by 100. P is
We can use
780.
formula
1089, sir.
Time taken is half
1 by
into
yes sir
10.
into 10. Z
Okay, 10
R is equal
divided by 100.
by 100. 100 sir.
So this zero
cancels.
cancels. When we divide by 2, what do we get?
We
Sir,
get
1089 sir. 1089.
1089, sir. 109.
89. This is the interest.
Yes, sir. We
Therefore,
should write total amount.
amount
Total amount is equal to
amount at the end of
total amount.
2.5 years will be equal to
22,869.
21,780 plus
Sir,
1,089.
1,089.
22,869.
22,809 sir.
22,869.
89.
This is correct. This is the amount. Now we need to find out the compound interest. Compound interest will be amount minus the principal. It is rupees 22,869 minus 18,000. 4,869 rupees.
Yes, sir.
So very simple.
Sir,
All
in
of,
this question,
all of you have understood this?
yes, sir.
Sir,
Akash, if they give this as 3.5 years, same method can be applied.
yes, sir. Same
Yes,
method.
sir.
First 3
Then
years,
half year.
then half year.
Yes, we are.
If, at all,
Then we are.
if the question is 2 years and 5 months, what do we do?
5 by 12.
2 and 5 upon 12.
5 by 12, sir.
This 5 months is considered as 5 by 12. Here 5 by 12 should be taken. All right. Yes, Naman has a doubt.
When they give 2, sir. 2 years.
Sudeep has a doubt. Yes, Sudeep?
Why
Sir, we
we
can sir, I
take
also have a
by
doubt, sir.
100, sir?
Wait for Sudeep to tell. Sudeep.
So we can take 25 by 100.
I am not understanding your thing here. Tell again.
So he is telling that we can take 25 by 100.
This one 25 by 100. Why 25 by 100?
1 by 2.
Previous method there.
See, in the previous question, that was 12.5% rate of interest. Here it is number of years.
Here it is years, sir. If
Don't
we
get
simplify, we will be
confused.
getting only 2.5, sir.
Don't get confused. In the previous question, it is rate of interest. The number of years was very clearly 3 years. In this question, it is 2.5 years. When years are not given as a complete number, we have to split that 2 plus half. If they give in days,
So
still we
we'll
can
be
solve.
getting 5 by 2, sir.
Okay, sir. Now try this here. It is compounded half yearly. This is very, very important thing to note. When it is compounded half yearly, either we change the
Sir,
formula.
shall I tell, sir?
Yes, sir.
How we
Sir,
change,
we
sir?
can we can take 1 by 2. If we compound it half yearly, we will be getting 3 years, like 3, sir.
3 half years, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3
3
half
after
years,
6
sir.
months.
So 62,500 into
This is
1
the
plus
principle.
8 by 100 by 3, sir. Yes, sir.
Shaban will go slow. 1.5 years is 3 half years. Understood?
Yes,
3
sir.
half years. What about the rate of interest? Should we consider the same
8%,
rate?
sir.
8 by 200 or
Sir,
Yes, sir.
4
4
by 100.
4
4 by
percent.
100. We will be getting 2 by 200, sir. 8 by 200.
Either we have to
8 by
take
200.
4%, 4% if you are
Yes,
using
sir.
R by 100 as a formula, else you have to take
Yes,
it as
sir.
8 by 200. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes, sir.
which formula shall we apply?
Yes.
Same formula, P times of 1 plus
Yes.
R by 100 to the
No, sir.
power
Yes, sir.
n.
R by
Yes, sir.
200.
P
If
into
we
1
take 4%,
plus
we can
R
apply
by
by 100,
R
sir.
by
If we take
200.
8%, we should apply by
bracket
200, sir.
2n, sir. Yes,
Since
sir.
I
We
have
obtain
taken
from the 2.
since I have taken 4% as a rate of interest, I will prefer
We can take 100, sir.
writing this formula. So A
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 62,500 times of 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 3. Here 3 refers to 3 half years.
3
Half
half
year, sir.
years.
I will tell another formula also for others. A is equal to P times of 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. In this case, here rate of interest should be taken as 8% and 2n should be taken as 3 years, 3 half years. Is that clear? If you use the
Yes.
formula, you get the same result.
Why you should use 2n, sir?
First one is better. All right. The difficult thing is to simplify this.
Simplify and multiplying, sir.
Yes, 2 of the zeros get cancelled. Now 104 and this can be simplified.
Yes, sir.
20,304.
Is 104 divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
26,
Yes.
sir.
26 times.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is
26,
25
sir.
times. So once
Yes,
again
sir.
26 by 25. Look at this 25 into 25. Is it at 625?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it get
Yes,
cancelled.
sir. Yes, sir. 625, sir.
Yes.
Yes, it get cancelled. So final result is 26 times of
26
26.
into 26 into 104, sir.
104. Okay, this should be multiplied. Now the division is gone. We are left out with the multiplication.
70,304, sir. Amount.
I'll wait for 1 more minute. Yes, others also multiply.
Yes, sir. 70,304.
70,304.
Sir, 70,304, sir.
Yes, sir.
70,304.
Yes, sir. 70,304, sir.
This is
Total
the
amount.
amount.
Sir.
Now the compound interest is amount
7,000.
minus principal
Yes, sir.
7,000.
Amount minus principal.
7,800.
7,804, sir.
minus 62500.
7,804.
7,804.
804.
Oh, it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Did
Yes,
anyone
sir.
solve in this second method?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I followed, sir.
Did you get the same result?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Very good.
we
Very
get the
good.
same result.
Yes, this is
Sir,
very.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
In last question, we use that formula now, sir. Both,
Mhm.
but we can use it by SI formula, sir.
We can use it by SI formula. The thing is, 1.5 year means 3 half years. So 3
Yes,
times
sir.
for every half year you have to calculate. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
It is not
Yes,
like
sir.
the previous question. Here 2.5. 2 years we have calculated, then half year. Here it is not like 1 year is calculated, then half year. It is like three
Yes,
half
sir.
years. So in the
Yes,
traditional method, 3 times you need to find the simple interest.
yes. But we will be getting the same answer, sir.
Yes, same result you will get. But the time taken will vary, sir. If you use the
Sir.
formula, time taken will be very less.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this question. Here they have given the int also. You could use the year by year calculation using simple interest to verify.
Sir, only 1 year, sir. So we can
Only
take
1
it by
year.
easy.
How, sir?
Sir, no, sir. It is so we can take it by 2n, sir.
Correct. It is compounded half yearly. So here there will be 2 half years. 2
Two
half
half
years.
years, sir.
Rate of interest is 9%. We can make this as 9 by
4.5.
2%.
4.5, sir.
4.5%. Correct. So when we use the formula, amount will be equal to principal, which is 8,000, into 1 plus rate of
1
interest
plus
should be taken as 9
4.5
by,
by 100.
correct, it is 9 by 200 to
200.
the
Yes,
power
sir.
2.
2, sir.
So it is 8,000 multiplied to 209 divided by 200 multiplied to
200
209 divided by 200.
into 209 divided by 200.
So
Sir, we can cancel by 200
200.
by 8,000. 80,000, sir.
This is 4 2 times. Here this becomes 10. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now whatever is there, you just multiply and divide this by 10. Simple. How you will go wrong in the examination is this downside denominator you will forget to write in the next step. This is where you will go wrong in the exam. So be very careful while solving. So 209 to be multiplied to 209. 8,000.
Sir, we can cut 10 by 2,
736.2,
sir.
sir.
So 8,000 we can get to total answer as 1,000.
Isn't it this?
Sir, we are getting 8,7362, sir.
Yes, sir. 8,706.
8,7362.
No.
So
8,700.
8,736, sir.
36, sir. Point 2. Point 2.
8,736.2, sir.
8,736, sir.
Point 2.
Wait.
Point 2, sir.
8,000.
8,736.2, sir.
8,736.2.
Point 2.
This is the
Yes, sir.
amount. So amount minus
Yes, sir.
principal, if you do, we get compound interest. Subtract and tell me it is just
It will be 736.2, sir.
736.2.
very simple. There is one more question in this section. This is also compounded half yearly, 1 year and 8%. So it is simple. I'll leave it for you to solve. Okay. Let's look at the second question, which is little difficult. The difficulty is there here. 4 by 12 years. Okay. Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan?
2 1 by 3.
So it is like the combination type of question, 2 years plus 4 months.
First, we
So
have to do 2 years, sir.
2
After
years, sir. 1 by 3 year.
first we have to do for first
2 years, 1 by 3, sir.
2
first
years.
2 years, we have to
2 years,
Then we
sir.
have to find for next 4
do
months.
4 months.
4
1
months.
by 3 years, sir.
So when I separated it, we can solve it easily. So for the first 2 years, we use the formula A is equal to P times of 1 plus R by 100 to the power N by taking the number of years as 2, rate of interest as 15, principal as 26,400. So let's substitute the values. It is 26,400 to be multiplied to 1 plus
1 plus
15 by 100
Sir,
to
we
the
can take
power
it as
2.
7.5, sir.
7.5. Why 7.5? It is compounded yearly.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So 26,400 to be multiplied to 115 by 100 into 115 by 100. Two of the zeros get cancelled. This particular thing is divisible by 4, I think. 4 6 are 24. Once again, 4 6 are 24.
66, sir.
So 466
sir.
times 425 times. Now we can further divide this 523 times, 5 times, 523 times. So it is purely multiplication. We get 66 times of
34,914, sir.
34,914, sir.
34,914, sir.
914.
34,914.
Oh, this is 9 4s are 54. Correct. Last digit is 4. All right. So is this the amount?
No, sir, we should.
1 by 3 year.
Amount for first 2 years.
Amount for 2 years.
So this
First
should
2
be
years.
Sir,
taken as
sir.
principal for the next 4 months. So we use a formula SI is equal to PTR by 100. So
PTR by
P value should be 34,914 into time. This should be taken as 4 by 12 into rate of
1 by
interest. Rate of interest
15.
is 15% divided by 100. I'll write it here. So 4 ones are
Into
425
4
times, sir. Hey, 425 times.
3 sir.
5 threes are
Sir, 1 lakh.
5 fives are.
Sir, 17,457, sir.
Look at the denominator and the numerator. Numerator is 341,914 into 3, and the denominator is 16 fives are.
17,457.
So this can be simplified 4 times. So this 3 is not there. 4 fives are 20.
745.7, sir.
This is 17
745.7.
45.7.
457
5.7, sir.
divided by
457.
10. So it becomes
Yes,
0.7.
0.7.
Therefore,
1,700.
Sir,
amount
the
Plus we should do.
amount for 2 year 4 months.
is equal to
36,659.7, sir.
659.7, sir. 36,659.7.
Did you add these two?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We get the answer as 36,659.7.
7.
600 and
59.
59.
59.7.
59.9.
In the
9.
question, 9.
For last 4 months, we
Yes,
can
sir.
do.
Ajay has a doubt. Last 4 months.
Sir, we can do means for first 2 years we did na sir. There we
Yes.
can do. We can take rate of interest as 5 and n as 1. For like that we can do na sir for last 4 months.
N we cannot change, no. 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. Can we take 1 by 3?
Sir, means 4 months means in 1 year it will become. Sir, we will take 15% rate of interest as 5 and we will make n as 1, sir.
Okay.
Then it is coming same answer, sir. Means, here we
But
simple
very,
interest.
Ajay, very important thing is rate of interest should be changed then.
Yes, sir.
Rate of interest will become what?
We have to make 5%.
Yes, sir. Divide.
Divided by 400 you have to do. By 200 you will get wrong answer. By 400 you have to do.
So why?
Because 4 months refers to quarterly.
Yes, sir. Compounded quarterly.
You should remember this.
Yes, sir.
6 month will be same as half yearly,
Yes, sir.
and
200.
4 months will be same as quarterly. Quarterly means 1/4, 1/4 year.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir.
How
1/3, sir.
No,
1/3?
3 months. 3 months is
Sir,
taken as half year.
1/3.
Sir, quarterly is
Sir,
3 months.
1/3.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
cannot
Quarterly
use this
means
formula,
3.
sir. We cannot use the old formula. Samarth, your voice is breaking down. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In the question, they did not ask you the compound interest. They had asked only the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years, 4 months,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir.
At the end of 2
Compound
years,
yearly,
sir.
sir.
So
Compounding interest they ask,
this is the
sir.
final
Compound
answer.
interest.
Compound interest they
Yes,
did
sir.
not ask. This is the final answer. Okay, I'll
Sir,
leave this question
sir,
for you
can
to
we
solve.
use compound interest instead of simple interest, sir, for 4 years, 4 months?
4 months we have used simple interest only. In the previous question, I'll show
Yes, sir.
you. I have used simple
Yes,
interest
sir.
only. Simple interest for the next 4 months.
Yes, sir. Bye,
Try this question.
sir.
Pavina borrows rupees 2,500 at the rate of 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. There are two sub questions in the same question. One is half yearly, other is yearly. So no.
Sir, we
One
should
is simple
compare
interest, other is
Radha
compound
and
interest. You need
Pavina,
to
sir.
compare the amounts.
Yes,
Who
sir.
will be
Amount
paying?
both of
Who
them
will
will
be
pay
paying
at the
more?
last of the year, sir.
Yes. Will you try this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll try, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubt?
Bye, sir.
Bye,
No,
sir. Thank you.
sir. Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.